In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer the funds between accounts in SAP Business One. So as we can see, this transaction cash taken out of Citibank for office use. That means we have just withdrawn the cash from the bank using an ATM and it is not being spent yet. So the entry should be bank should be credit because it is reduced in balance, and cash should be debit because we have the petty cash now in our hand. So although it looks like we can do the journal entry, but since this is a non-trading activity but not non-cash. So in these cases, we can go to the banking module and either we can use the incoming payment feature or outgoing payment feature. So let's say that we use incoming payments and click on incoming payments. We are receiving not against the customer, not against the supplier, but against the bank account. So we'll choose the account directly and we will choose the bank against which we are receiving this. We are receiving it from the Citibank. Choose that. In the narration, we will just copy this transaction, paste it here. And the amount is 225,000. We just have to mention at the top, the payment means go to the cash because we are receiving the cash. GL account should be set to cash. You can see here it is attached to Citibank, which we are going to alter in the next video. But for now, just press backspace and attach it manually. We are receiving this in cash. To copy this amount, Control B and click OK. If you want to check the journal entry effect even before posting it, just to make sure everything looks good or everything is fine, just right click and click on journal entry preview. This is not the actual journal entry. This is just a simulation mode for you to see that this could be a potential journal entry if you enter it in the system. So cash is debit and Citibank is credit. Perfect. It says cash taken out of Citibank for office use 225,000. So this is how you do it. Close out of here and let's just save it. Hit enter, click add. And if you want to check the last record, go to the last record from here, right click, click on journal entry. And this is the final entry now. And that's how you transfer the funds between accounts in SAP. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.